Hey, it's Mr. K, Chemistry 30, Unit A, question number 7. The standard molar enthalpy of formation for hexane is blank. Okay, now, formation. Man, please make a big deal of the fact that that thing says formation. We've talked about the difference between molar enthalpy and molar enthalpy formation. If you just want the molar enthalpy for this thing, you have the enthalpy, the 2 is your moles, you could just divide by 2 and get the molar enthalpy for this reaction. But because it's asking about formation, it's not nearly that simple. We have to remember that delta H equals products minus reactants is referring to the formation enthalpies of the products and the reactants. So we know the formation enthalpies of CO2 and H2O. We know oxygen is a lone element, so it doesn't have one. So really the only formation enthalpy we don't have is hexane, which is what we're looking for. So we can put it into this equation, and then we can solve for X. Okay, now I've put my algebra down here in case that's the part you're struggling with and want to look at. So the way I'd like to look at it is I've got my negative 7709.8, and I resolved this. 12 times that, 14 times that, all added together, gives me negative 8107.2. The opposite of subtracting is adding, so I added that to both sides. Now 379.4 is equal to negative 2x. To get x alone, I divide by negative 2, and I end up with negative 198.7. Okay, please make a big deal of the fact that it's formation. All right, thanks for tuning in.